the Right Honorable Speaker of the State House of Assembly and members of the State Assembly, our dear leaders, the wives of those who have stood firm for democracy, the husbands of those who have stood firm for democracy, chairman of the leading parties in the state, the People's Democratic Party and the APC, the managing director of NDDC, our dear brother who has always stood by us, and my former commissioner, the executive director of finance and administration, the Fifi Kachiri, distinguished senators, all our leaders who are here. But let me do one thing, because very important. Two people, Chief Fedi Ngogo Alabraba and OCJ Okocha. Chief Abuse is not here. Nowhere. I said so because I recognize. They said before that three of you are the wise men. The three wise men. Abuse was sick. Abuse was in coma in London. One of the wise men was removed as chairman of the University Traditional Rulers Council. One of the wise men was removed. When he was in coma, when he was looking for support, for help of that man that he stood firm to be a wise man, at the time he needed support, that was when the man he stood for to be a wise man removed him, chairman of the University Traditional Rulers Council. On Thursday, another wise man was insulted. When the wise man was called to the bar, this man was not in primary school. This man has a son who is a PhD holder, has students who have graduated, if even compared, they have graduated before him. I'm happy. I'm not the only one that they have shown ingratitude. They have shown ingratitude to the wise men. People thought, hey, Wike is complaining. There is no gratitude to every time. What is he looking for? He came out on national television to say, these are the wise men who stood firm for me when the decision was taken. Today, the wise men, they turned the law upside down. Yes, they also turned the law upside down when they took you. It's unfortunate in life. It's unfortunate in life. If you're a bad man, you're a bad man. Look at OCJ. Look at the positions in life. Former chairman, body of benchers. Former chairman and then they get an education. Former President, Nigerian Bar Association, former Attorney General of the Federation, that was screened and approved by the government. Somebody from I don't know where will call sitting before people and say, so-called legal luminary, turning law upside down. Shame. Shame. All of you say shame. Power. That's why you have to be careful who you give power to. Osijo Kocha on her sergeant Awuse and Federal Labor nearly collapsed that day. They insisted that, look, let us allow this young man. And Atam Piggy, Senator, saying that we thank God for your life. We never knew you was living with a snake. We never knew. But you must continue to thank Almighty God every day. If you have not been praying, continue to pray. I will never die. You can imagine where you are sleeping with a snake. God protected you. The snake never beat you. Ask me, where would I have been today? Where would my wife and my children be? Not knowing they're living with a serpent. But God is God. God is God. My dear wives, my dear sisters, all of you, and my dear brothers, who are wives and husbands, so these young men, you may not know what has happened. You may not know. I'm also sure that they may not know what they have done. It's not about me, but the grace of God. God in His infinite mercy has been kind to me, has been able to put me in a position where I can say, okay, let me be on my own. But what they have done is to say, look, ingratitude, we can't accept it. What they have done is to say, look, where are you? We are the ones who labored, who had sleepless nights and put you there. For all of us to be together today, you paint all of us as black. Look at these young men. Labored from place to place, suffer from one place to the other. Look at council chairman, took risk, spent the money to put somebody. That was sudden. Armed robbers, thieves. That is not life. That's not life. And when people come out to talk, why not forgive? If I say forgive what? I have no problem. Forgive what? And we're all human. I want to pretend as if nothing has gone wrong. You want to pretend. How do you pretend? I would never pretend. So I decided with the leadership, it's not tomorrow now, somebody has died. Say, oh, alive. I have to tell you now, thank you. I have to say, you've done well. I'm about to say, look, you have shown we're not Janglover State. Push us. Daddy, push us. No. Yes. We're not like other states. You have shown capacity. You have shown you want independence of the legislature. And you have shown that money can move you. Other states should emulate from you. Other states should emulate from you. They see their salaries for 1 year. They see the allowances. They say you come and beg. Are you begging today? No. Will you beg tomorrow? No. You have told them, take the hell and go. But when we are, we'll stand firm. We'll do what is right. That's what you have done. Tomorrow, people will look for you. Who are these characters that stood firm when it mattered most? You may have lost anything, yes. It's a sacrifice you must make. The problem we have in this country today, or has been in this country, is leadership. People don't want to be firm and strong. Look, this is what I believe in. It's not everything money, 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 money. All of you here, they say you will beg. You will come and ask for a contract. Have you gone to ask for a contract? Are they better than you? They're not. And they will never be. And that's why I say, why I praise your wives and your husband. There are people who say, this is what we're going to give us. You want to go take that kind of risk? I beg you. Make we follow the man who. Members, I should talk. All of you, the deputy, your wife will come and meet you. Why not Lord fully this place? We could not die for. You know, that's the Nigerian pattern. I would die for hunger. Our wives have shown courage. People should come to River State and learn from us. People should come to the state and learn from us. And I would felt that we should thank you. We should thank you. And God will continue to bless you and your family. Amen. We as leaders of the party and the state here will never abandon you. Amen. We will never abandon you. Amen. But at the end of the day, everybody will give account of what he or she has done. It's not me. It's not you. It's not you. Today, I will say so many things. Nigerians will hear and know so many things. I hope you want me to talk. You want me to talk? I will talk from PDP to APC to everything. Do you understand me? This is River State too. Nobody will conquer us. Nobody will conquer us. Now, Michael Sabe spoke here. You heard what he said. Sir Osi Dokota spoke. I take exception that illiterate, which we never knew was an illiterate. They say Osi Dokota turned the law upside down. Shame unto you. Say anything that deals with state matter must come to the state high court. Chai! Chai! Shame. If you don't know anything, say you don't know anything. If you didn't dare, I feel so bad.
I am so wicked and they fear you. Come on for road.
Okay, just let me tell you.
Tell us.
The state assembly is challenging an elected government that you have no right to be spending money without budget. And therefore, Central Bank, Accountant General, you cannot continue to release funds when the fund is not being budgeted. Right? Can you sue at the state high court? Where will you sue? Because Central Bank is federal government agency. Accountant government is federal government. Humility is humility. Humility is what? Humility. You see, when there's 419 in every profession. Do you understand me? There's 419 in every profession. Do we go to state high court to say Central Bank don't release the money again? No. Do we go to the state high court to say Accountant General don't release the money? But does it not concern the state government? Somebody will come and say, anything has to do with state government is state high court. Okay. Let me also tell you the other side. You see, they talk. It's a local government election state. We didn't know nobody, APC, if you read the judgment, what we are saying, for you to conduct the local government election, you must follow the procedure, the law, the electoral act is there, you must follow it. And that INEC, you're the custodian of the voters register. If they therefore do not follow the procedure, INEC do not release the register. And to stop INEC, you cannot go to the state high court. You will go to where? Federal high court. Nobody is interested in you. We know who is the business here to go and say, you want to go and buy fund to contest local government election. Don't you know what they will do? Don't you know what they will do? But if you must conduct, follow the law. And if you don't follow the law, INEC do not release the voters register. And when INEC does not release the voter register, would there be election? That's why I say, humility is what? Humility. If you didn't dare, now let me tell you, with due respect to Sir O.C. Okocha, who's a senior advocate of Nigeria, I'm not, I will not. But one of the problems people have not been able to address as an MPA, you have not solved the problem of stopping lawyers from advertising themselves in channels, in Arise. Unfortunately, most senior lawyers are the ones involved. A lawyer who has not even read the facts of the matter will go because they have given him money to go to Arise. Arise is there. Yes. You can turn it upside down. Yes. Turn it here. You can say whatever you want. Any decent lawyer, any well-groomed lawyer will ask, let me have the judgment, or let me be saved with the facts of the matter so that I'll be able to say something. Not, oh, they gave judgment. You go and begin to say, oh, this and that. And that is why MBA has a role to play to secure the independence of the judiciary. Because MBA have been polluted politically. Those who sponsor them will tell you, go and issue statement on this judgment. Did you read the judgment? Since they have published this judgment on newspapers, has anybody come to talk about it again? Now, let me tell you, so you know, it's unfortunate because our system does not allow judges to defend themselves. They can't. I've been in this political process from 1998 to now, 1999. From 1999 to now, how many years? Those of you who know mathematics, how many years? 25 years. I never took a break, is it not? Uninterrupted, is it not? So I've been involved. So I know. If the security agencies will take it upon themselves to go in and investigate what most politicians do when they want to reach out to judges and it's not possible, they come out and write petitions against that judge. Why? The road is not open. Why? The judge said, no, let's do the right thing. So the next thing done, you hire Arise, channels, live coverage. The judge took bribe. What do you want the judge to do? He can't talk. Can any judge talk? No. Meanwhile, those who are behind did all kinds of atrocities. Who would want justice to go in their own way? When it does not, problem. They run out first to the public and shout. We're here. State high court judges. Even when we know they have no jurisdiction, they give expert order 1, expert order 2, expert order 3, expert order 4, expert order 5, expert order 6, expert order 7, expert order 8, expert order 9, expert order 10. Have we ever written petition? Have we gone on television or social media to castigate them? No. All we say, they are not the final court. We tell our lawyers, go on appeal. Go on appeal. Go to court of appeal, we lose, we go to Supreme Court. But Supreme Court is the final court. Whatever they say, we'll obey. We'll obey. And we have never one day written any petition in spite of all the expertise orders. Court of Appeal gave a judgment today, Friday, for example. On Monday, the governor was a party to that. The attorney general was a party to the suit. The next day, another judge in the state high court gave an ex-party order in spite of the Court of Appeal judgment. Have we gone to write an appeal petition? But I said, No problem. Go back to court. Go to the court of appeal. When they rule against us, go to the Supreme Court. Anything they rule, abide to it. We have been, look, all of us know our problems. I was a victim. Tribunal nullified my election. Did I ever go to abuse anybody? Court of appeal, no. Even the National Assembly, House of Assembly, and elections were all nullified. We never one day raised a petition against anybody. All we said, that is it. Let's come back to the election. Do you not go back to the election? When you don't have good people doing your work, you come and blame judges. When we arrange the legal team, did they blame judges? We arrange a strong legal team. They won. Did they blame judges? Now you don't know who is your lawyer. Anybody who goes, this weekend is too much of him, I'll file it. When you lose, he say, oh, the judge took bribe. No coordination, nothing. For anybody now to file an action, this weekend, enough is, he should not put me in the election petition this in for me to be also the part. Okay, I will deal with him. He will deal with me. What's my business? And that's what's happening. It's unfortunate in our country. Every time you don't do what you're supposed to do, you shift blame to other people. That is not acceptable. That is not acceptable. You have seen APC, you have seen PDP. Which is the Rainbow Coalition. What will happen in this state in 20, I don't know whether they will stay or they will not stay, but what will happen in this state? Local government election is not general election. See, monkey. You think he will allow you to carry results sheets to go to government house and then announce without scores? Shame. Shame. You should ask you to gather them. What happened? Who will allow you in general election? It's not going to be possible. So don't make that kind of mistake. We never contested local government election. Did we contest? No. Did we pick from? No. I hear Atiku Abubakar said, oh, that they have rejected me in Rivers State. Okay. Assuming they're not conceding, he has lost so many times. Nigerians have also rejected him. If you say, for election, we did not contest. For election, we never participated. That shows Nigerians have rejected us. It's okay. You that contested and failed woefully, Nigerians have done what? Rejected you. Therefore, pack and go home. But most of you do not understand the fight that is going on. You think it is these people here. Go and sit down. Who are these people? Who are these people? These people are a lot of people. Let me tell you what is going on. Can I tell you? Do you want to hear? You are sure? See what is going on in Nigeria. And I have no regret at all. And we have no regret at all for supporting President Asiwaju Bola Tinubu. Yes, sir. I have no regret. I have no regret about it. all these things you are seeing, there's Atiku group, there's P2B group, and there's some few governors of PDP who believe I'm a problem to them, and I'll continue to be a problem to them. The Atiku group believe that I and my team stopped them from becoming president. We stopped injustice. What we stopped was what? Injustice. All we wanted was equity, fairness, and what? And we told PDP, if you don't allow this, you will pay. Am I hiding it? Do you not tell them they will pay for it? So what you are saying, I think you group believe that we stopped them from being president. Obi's group, they lobbied me so much, yet they cannot deny it. And I said, look, this one won't fly. If I said you will not go to where I will not know, it won't fly. So there's also a gang up. And look, enough is enough. They must fight us back. They are fighting themselves. Did you understand me? There's another group within the PDP who wants to be president. And they said, look, if we don't do anything now, we'll have a problem. But I can assure you they will have a problem. I can assure you they will have what? A problem. And there's also another APC group. I will tell you the truth. I know. Very prominent. Let me tell all of you, all these people combined, they will lose. All these people combined, they will do what? They will lose. I can tell you that because you know why? When you stand for the truth will always save you. They are standing by their own personal interests. You see, they will clash. They will clash. They will clash. What's happening in PDP now? Let me tell you. In PDP, they said Dambagu should go. I'm not a friend of Dambagu. Dambagu never supported me. It's correct? It's correct? Yes. Dambagu never supported me. Did you understand what I'm saying? He never supported me. But see, the truth must be told at all times. We agreed that Dambagu should complete the tenure of IU. We agreed. But let me tell you why you should be careful in trusting people. Those of them who sat with us that agreed on that, I saw something and I said, listen, hey, this man, like, you can't trust him. I said, it's better go and seek for interpretation of the constitution of PDP. And it came out to be true. Why? They want to present themselves to be president or vice president. So the matter went to court since July. And in that meeting, the former national legal advisor that was suspended, a senior advocate of Nadal Atoro here, sir, you are reading, you are watching, you're on, you're looking at the social media, this thing. I want you to take this home to the body of senior advocates. In the meeting where we agreed that we should go and seek for the interpretation of the constitution of the PDP, The 2015 constitution was not the same as 2017. As for 2015, we have a chairman and a deputy chairman from the South. We never had a chairman and a deputy chairman from the North and a deputy chairman from the South. Now in 2015, a problem arose where the national chairman had a problem. And who would take over? The deputy chairman. And from the South. So problem came. How can we allow the South? And to cure that error, in 2017, we had an amendment of the Constitution where we now said that there should be two deputy chairmen, where if the national chairman from that zone has a problem, the deputy chairman should be able to complete his tenure. And we never zone to north-south, northeast, northwest, or south-south. We zone north and south. Chairman go to north, secretary comes to south. Now, in their own understanding, which is not to our own knowledge, they say the chairman should be this person. I have no business. I have no business. We have zoned it to the north. We have zoned it to the north. Anybody who is a chairman, he comes from the north. Now they make it to look as if we zone north central, northwest, northeast. No, we never did that. And now this problem came. And so people say, look, it is better to go to the court to seek interpretation of the constitution of the party. The National Legal Advisor showed us out who concord that there should be an interpretation of the PDP constitution. He now, because he from North Central, going to play the game. The court, after argument upon argument from July, and then reserved judgment. Just to tell the court said, listen, look at the PDP constitution, it's very clear. And what does it say? It's clear. It says north and south. And that in event of any problem where the chairman has a problem, the deputy chairman from that zone should be the one that will complete his tenure. That was all. There was nothing more. And in any event, chairmanship is not by appointment, because it's not a caretaker committee. If you want to bring somebody appointed to superintend over an elected National Working Committee, can he work? The court said, listen, if you want a chairman, it should be by national convention. It doesn't matter, but it must come from the north. Nobody is saying it shouldn't come from the north, but it must be by convention, by election. When we kicked out your brother, which was Secondus, we kicked him out. Yes, we did. Yes, we did it. And we have no apologies. We have no apologies. We did it. Kicked him out. Now let me tell you what happened. When we kicked him out, the South did not produce the acting national chairman. The deputy national chairman from the South, who from the Southwest, took over and midwifed the convention that brought in the new chairman. assuming they are saying that is what it should be, it will suit me. Somebody that would have been before that election would have come from the south. Why did we kick out Secondus? Who kicked him out? He wanted to bring his cousin Telekuru. Get out. Get out. Who are you? Who are you? Kicked him out. I have no regret about it. Yes. 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 I have no regret about it. And it's true. Who kicked him out? You know, people don't look. I don't want to. I overheard some leaders in Mike Osakome's book launch. So unfortunate. I don't want to reply to things. I heard some leaders say, how can a war chairman remove a national chairman? No war chairman remove a national chairman. What the war did was to suspend you for the party. And in suspending you from the party, can you hold that position? Angama Magana Wallahi. Simple.
As he go pain them, he go sweet us. As he go sweet us, he go pain them.
You know, you see, people you don't even understand the facts. Okay. You're a family chief. You have become the Ezo Hapara. It's not correct. From Ezo Hapara, they've appointed you as a chairman of River State Agricultural Rulers Council. Not so. And you are telling me that you don't owe loyalty to the family. The family can say, look, you are no longer our chief. No be so. No be so. If you are no longer our chief, can you still be chairman of River State Agricultural Rulers Council?
In the bag, in the bag, in the bag, in the oh, in the bag,
simple thing, simple arithmetic. You are no longer the family of you are no longer the chief of our family. No, so what gives you that qualification to be the chairman of River State National Rulers Council? It is you have been a family chief that now qualifies you. And somebody will be vilifying Supreme Court, vilifying the judiciary. The judiciary is the cause of the crisis in APC, of the crisis in PDP. When there's a problem in a party, people will go and seek for solution, interpretation. My Lord's telling me, by virtue of this and this and this, what they did, is it right or wrong? If he didn't go, would they make any pronouncement? We should praise the judiciary for taking the bull by the horn to say, this is right, this is wrong, and not to verify them. And not to verify them. This time you said they suspended, they removed. Were they with you that time? Everybody now, you must fight Wike. Which Wike are you fighting? You people are digging your cave. Let me tell you, it has not started. It has not done what? Started. We have capacity. We have capacity. If anybody tells you, River State, forget it, we will sit down, we agree on what will happen, not to work. But they work. It will never work. So people should understand that we must preach for Nigeria to get to where we want to. And Mr. President is doing well today. You see, my anger with most people, when I see people, They talk today. President is not doing well. In the night, they went and see President. Sir, I can tell you, forget that I'm talking there, you are doing well. Look, I was governor. All of you know. APC people you know, Magnus you know. Fita Gado you know. VC know. I never went to see a president one day. Well, as a Fabio, in 2019 he was here. He told me, in government house, we want you to support us. I said, I will not support. I won't do it. And I never did it. I will never do it. And that's what these young men stand for. Everything must not be money in life. Integrity is important. People must know what you stand for, whom you are. And that's what we did in Rivers State. To say, look, we will not support you for this presidency because you people try to cheat us. No, so. If you don't correct it, it won't work. Look at people talking about suspending me. Hey! Hey! I'm not that kind of River State that passed the level where we are coming to bow and kneel that we won't do that. We won't do it. If people do not know that River State is an asset through us, then forget it. There. Anywhere you are. Anywhere you are, there. You may hate us, it doesn't matter. You may hate us. This weekend you don't like, will kill you. Yes, there. If your problem is wicked, follow. So, yes. So, people should know that we are working as a team. We are not working as party here. And I want to say to all of you, River State has gone to the level where we will decide where do we go, who do we support for the interest of River State. Anybody who does not want River State to grow, it doesn't matter which party you belong to hell with you. To hell with you. We must take our destiny. The anger, we get occupying the important position. If I don't occupy, who will occupy? Who will occupy it? So, River State, we took a bold position that we are going to support Aswaji Bola Tinubu. Is that what you said? Yes. So, all these people who are flying to London, flying to Turkey, flying to anywhere, come out and tell us, where do you stand? I stood somewhere. I thank all of you. And God is infinite mercy. We could not to keep all of us together. But all of you, look at these young men. Continue to pray for them. Continue to pray. They went to court that they have decamped. They have defected. Allow court now to settle the matter. You went to court. We never went to court. Allow the court. Let the court settle it. They go and file notice of appeal. They won't pursue the appeal. They won't pursue the appeal. This one, the Court of Appeal gave judgment, was completed in January 2024. When they file notice of appeal, they leave it like that. So they will be telling people that we have filed appeal. What would they do? We won't allow that again. This matter must be concluded to a logical conclusion. Like OCJ said, let Supreme Court come up and tell us, in today's democracy, 3 people will stand to sit, to legislate and appropriate resources of a state, if they let them do so, we will all abide to it. Let's forget about their defection. Assuming they're not conceding that they defected, you want to tell us that 3 people will sit to appropriate state resources. God bless you. Thank you.